My name's Lauren, and we're in Cortez, Florida, on the Gulf Coast. After Helene and Milton went through in 2025, we were hard hit with these hurricanes. A lot of the roofs in this community took a lot of damage. Siesta Roofing was in here doing other jobs, and I asked them to come and have a look at my roof. The home here that's been videoed is the oldest home in this community. It looked good, but when they inspect from the outside, they don't see the underlayment. I was amazed at the deterioration of the existing underlayment, which is the actual layer that protects your home. And when Siesta came in, they said it would probably be very wise to replace it. We had noticed a number of people, hired a number of different contractors, and some of them had some problems. When Siesta went through, we got testimonials from other people that said they did a wonderful job, and that's why we hired them. And I've been in the trades my entire life. If you look at the way the hips were put on, the way the mortar was done, they did a fabulous job, and we couldn't be happier. They were on time, well experienced, really good at what they did. They gave us a lot of really good advice, and I would strongly recommend them.